This is the elegant LeBaron interior, a masterpiece of new color and new design. Wherever you look, dramatic new shapes tell you that everything is fresh and more luxurious than you imagined possible. Here is a new shape that gives you leadership in an unusual way. The steering wheel of the 1960 Imperial. Whether you call it a squared-off circle or a rounded-off square, the fact remains it is really new and boldly symbolic of the totally new way to live in an automobile that is evident all around you in the 1960 Imperial. The Imperial instrument panel has a massive and powerful appearance, yet a graceful, balanced symmetry. Dominant are the two circular instrument clusters, each individually hooded by an impressive brow. In the center of each cluster is a unique turn signal indicator recessed in a gun-type housing. Exclusive to the Imperial is the vertically arranged heater push-button console on the right and the transmission push-button console on the left. Safety padding across the instrument panel is, of course, standard equipment. Now, watch carefully, and you will see for the first time in any automobile a revolutionary new system of instrument lighting. This is panelescent lighting. It is a totally new concept of instrument lighting in which the surface to be illuminated is coated with a special phosphorescent substance. When voltage is applied directly, the result is a soft, even glow. Panelescent lighting makes instruments easier to read since there is none of the glare or shadow distraction of incandescent bulbs. But even more important is the striking visual effect created, a subtle glow of unmatched beauty and elegance. This very special look of luxury will surely set the 1960 Imperial apart from all other fine cars. And now let's take a close-up look at the Imperial in color, because the color story for 1960 is also good news. There are fewer colors more carefully selected. Here is the distinctive Dawn Mauve and its elegant smoky counterpart, Dusk Mauve. Two totally new colors created especially for the woman fine car buyer. Here is rich cedar green and the delicate softness of light mint. Brilliant regal red is complemented by the deeper Regent ruby. Other feminine favorites will be crisp moonstone blue and the cooler glacier blue. Beach beige should prove a popular sport tone, or in warm contrast, the darker powdered bronze. You will have 12 color options on the LeBaron and 17 for the Custom and Crown series, all perfectly in tune with next season's fashion predictions. Elegance in motion, Imperial for 1960. On October 4th, this four-color spread will formally announce the 1960 Imperial to America. This advertisement will appear in Life, Saturday Evening Post, Time, Newsweek, and U.S. News and World Report. The spread will be followed by this attention-getting four-color page. In addition to this high-impact announcement campaign, we have created a special prestige campaign. This elegant black and gold spread, a dramatic innovation in fine car advertising, will appear in Fortune, Town and Country, Holiday, Sports Illustrated, and The New Yorker. This dramatic black and white ad will appear in major newspapers throughout the nation. This 24-sheet poster will be seen by our nation's motorists. This campaign will reach a total audience of over 103 million to bring prospects into your showroom and to pave the way for a golden sales year for the elegant 1960 Imperial, America's most carefully built car.